Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300 that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you have a problem where rear view camera doesn't work, you want to see where you can find the fuse, guys, we'll explain that step by step where you can locate in this video today. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff, guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So if the rear view camera doesn't work and you need to find the fuse, let's explain what you can expect to find it on that generation Chrysler 300. You have many hidden fuse boxes. Today we work in just one. And that fuse box, guys, okay, is in the trunk. Go ahead, open the trunk. And here, okay, you're going to go ahead and lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have a spare tire and a car battery. Behind the car battery you have a fuse box. This is the same fuse box, just a closer look. Here you have a few tabs, squish them together, pull the cover out. Underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here, guys, for the rear view camera, one fuse will need to be checked. That part of the fuse box is facing the front of the vehicle. This is the rear, driver side, passenger side. So if we come right here behind the relays, that's the very back row. That's fuse 43, then 44. Fuse number 44, that's the one that you need to check for the rear view camera on your Chrysler 300. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.